automobiles on a soccer team? I don't care if these cars can even hit supersonic velocity. Preposterous, is this gonna be another lame game that I don't want to need? I'll try it once and I'm done, bro. 3, 2, 1, go! Fade off and that face off, I got my rockets all cranked up. Get a first touch and then a bank shot, I rank up, you rank drop. Celebrate with a takeoff, ole, ole, ole.
Stop! You suck, that was all luck.
Shut your mouth, you dumb fool.
I can't read what you said to me.
Why do they always censor me? Nobody here is a friend to me, but if you're on my team, we can pretend to be. Great pass, nice shot, what a save! Or not, clearly you just forgot that was your net you scored on. Aerial hit, letting them rip. Hope you don't mind me wrecking your whip. Land on my wheels, get in a grip. You better defend, I'm centering it. For the end, I bet that you'll quit. Damn, you're practically letting me win. Left the match, message him quick. 1v1 unless you're a bitch.
Attention, ground control, ready for liftoff. Restart the countdown now, get to the kickoff.
Don't have no tactics, I'm perfect without practice. When I hit the gas, mad lift, Top Gun, Maverick. Think fast, backflip, on a roll, hat tricks. Better save that clip, Warthog, Herbert. This ain't no street race, we don't need no freeways. Did you catch that sweet play? I'll make you watch the replay. I have no need for gravity in an acrobatic battle, see? Us audience will clap for me at the end of the match, who's MVP?
We're all remote control. I'm lighting up your goal. You might say I'm a troll.
Any map, any field, any time, any region. I just had one hell of a season. Wait, hold up, I got an achievement. 10 straight games without getting beaten. Fat stacks of cash wads coming out the back of my exhaust. Overtime, let's not. I get a buzzer beater with the last shot. Barrel roll like Star Fox. Hit the post, bar drop. I'm in our goal like a guard dog. Blocking all your try-hard shots. One rule that I play by, don't waste time with an AI. I might as well drive a tank.
Why?
I demolish y'all when I blaze by. Without apology, the best I got to be. Set me up, lead the shot to me.
Let's party up.
Don't talk to me! Here comes the rockets, I'm a prodigy. Haven't gone outside in about a week. Cholesterol clogging my arteries. I don't wanna stop, but I gotta be. Rocket League is a drug to me. Rehab is on top of me. A rocket car in a rocket field with a rocket ball, that's all I need. Attention, ground control, we are ready for liftoff. Restart the countdown, now let's get to the kickoff!